Ke te haere tātou ki Melbourne, ki ngā whakataetai Pan Pacifics. It's a 3-day tournament, so I'll be competing gi and no gi. It's a prestigious tournament and it's kind of the next step up from our Aotearoa scene before you go overseas and fight at Worlds.
Ki tēnei whakataetai Pan Pacs ruara te roa. Ki te ai ngā toa horopū o tēnei taha o te ao.
So I just jumped on the scale, I was like a kg and a half under. I didn't eat this morning because I wasn't too sure what my weight was like. But yeah, I'm a kg and a half under, so I got some blueberries with a bit of honey on it. Yeah, I feel a bit already.
Kai konei hoki e whātōtō ana, ko etahi o ngā ihopū manawa o Hakaraia no te wā kāinga.
Anaru, I've known for a long time. He's one of the kazis from down the pa, down Ohinumutu. And he was one of the first Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu competitors to come out of Rotorua back when I wasn't even training. I was just doing Muay Thai. And yeah, he showed us a bit, back then, which definitely inspired us.
Hakaraia, he's the future. What he's been able to do, surround himself with the right people, the right team, the right environment. I kind of wish that was me when I was going through the same journey. He's going places in the future. He's the next Kirikawa Mamo from Aotearoa to take us to the next level.
O tikau ana ngā mahi whakangungu, ko eke te wā kia tomokia e Hakaraia te takapau o te riri.
I just keep reinforcing positive thoughts that I'm ready for this, I'm trained for this. I'm the one that they should be watching out for. This is my division. To be completely honest, in that moment, you don't have a lot of time to think. If you're thinking about the solution to the problem that he's giving you, you're a step too late. So you kind of have to just be in this flow state where you're just reacting and just putting all your work that you've done in training to practice.
Te rangi tuarua, he wero hou, he pai hou, hei kake ngā Hakaraia, engari ka eke a rānei e ia te taumata.
The level of competition was high, and that was as expected. I wasn't expecting anything less.
I was watching him and I felt pretty big, strong guy, and I'm thinking, what's best for me? How can I win the fight? And I thought, I'll play some guard instead of going to get the sweep, instead of trying to pair out the takedowns. Yeah, so it was such a good opponent, so strong, really well. Hope to see him again in the future.
Right away I can already pick out what I should have done, the mistakes I made. I'm still disappointed because I don't like losing, but I'm grateful for those matches because those are the kind of fights that I need to make myself better. So
So I'm really grateful for this opportunity to better myself as an athlete and as a person as well.